Some things are a necessary part of life. And you do them to protect yourself, yes?
Yes.
You brush your teeth to protect yourself.
Yeah.
You put your shoes on to protect yourself.
Yes.
Why do you pray Salah?
मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है कि हाउ टू फाइंड इंटरेस्ट इन नमाज.
You don't have to find interest in namaz. You have to understand why you're doing namaz. Dekho, you don't have to be interested in brushing your teeth. You still have to brush your teeth. You don't have to be interested in putting your shoes on.
Yeah.
But you still put your shoes on.
Yes.
Some things are a necessary part of life. And you do them to protect yourself, yes?
Yes.
You brush your teeth to protect yourself.
Yeah.
You put your shoes on to protect yourself.
Yes.
Why do you pray Salah? Number one reason.
Protect.
To protect yourself.
Yes.
To protect yourself from the shayateen, to protect yourself from Allah says fahsha wal munkar, you protect yourself from becoming a bad person.
Yeah.
Right? So if you start thinking I should do it because I'm interested in it, then you're thinking about it the wrong way. And when you start doing it for the right reason, then you will find new ways of being interested in it anyway. But that's not the starting point.
Yeah.
Okay?
I have another question. An Imam said that be thankful of what Allah has given you. But Allah says that ask from me and I'll give it to you. So which one is true?
Both.
Which is right?
Both. Like, you're grateful for your dad giving you clothes, for example.
Yes.
You're still going to ask for
yes.
a neat present. They both exist. Same with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. We're grateful for the things He's given us, but we still have wishes.
Yeah.
And we ask Allah.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I hope you guys enjoyed that video clip. My team and I have been working tirelessly to try to create as many resources for Muslims to give them first steps in understanding the Quran all the way to the point where they can have a deep, profound understanding of the Quran. We are students of the Quran ourselves, and we want you to be students of the Quran alongside us. Join us for this journey on BayyinaTV.com, where thousands of hours of work have already been put in. And don't be intimidated, it's step by step by step, so you can make learning the Quran a part of your lifestyle. There's lots of stuff available on YouTube, but it's all over the place. If you want an organized approach to studying the Quran beginning to end for yourself, your kids, your family, and even among peers, that would be the way to go. Sign up for BayyinaTV.com.